Yeah.
get out of his way.
It takes a long time. Like this guy maps out a pattern.
Right? He just sort of figures out what the room's going to look like, what he's going to do. I've never started him from right in here.
It's noisy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's not bad though. Because he doesn't have to run as long as the room does in order
Yeah.
to complete the room.
How much are they selling for?
You know, you'll see them on sale for $2.99, but they're usually $3.99. And he'll sort of mentally divide sometimes this into two rooms.
My Roomba eats power cords.
Oh, this guy too. He loves them. Absolutely. That's the only... I would run him autonomously completely except for the power cord problem. And so now it'll do the indent track of what it just did.
So it'll go in and in and in?
Well, it depends. You know, it might do a back and forth, it might do a circle loop. It depends from where you start them. You know, usually I just start him from his charging station.
Okay.
And he's really good about finding it. Like when he's done with that room, he'll just scoot all the way back into the bedroom and charge up. And
That's the problem I have with the Roomba, is my family room, living room, dining room, and kitchen, and then the hallway are all interconnected.
okay.
And so it'll go into the hallway, and then it'll spend all the time over there, and then it'll decide, okay, I'm finished.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then I pick it up and take it into the living room and start it again, and then this time it'll finish the living room.
Right, when he's done, when he's docked, you take the dustbin, pull it out, and you pull off the filter, and then shake it out, and then kind of dust off the filter, pop the filter back in.
Yeah. Can you wash it?
I've rinsed it out. Obviously, you don't want to rinse the filter. It's like a HEPA-style paper filter. They come with a couple of replacements, which is nice.